Seeing the various problems that are associated with the production of electrical energy with the help of conventional sources like coal, nuclear energy, or fossil fuels, we need to turn towards those sources of energy which are renewable and at the same time they do not cause any kind of pollution of the environment. So one of those sources of energy is hydroelectric energy. When we produce electrical energy with the help of hydroelectricity, we make use of water. Now, hydroelectric energy is produced by constructing a dam over a river. The flow of the river is blocked by constructing a dam over it, and the water is stored in a reservoir. Now, this stored water, which is at a height, possesses potential energy. So here we have a block diagram for hydroelectric power plant. So water reservoir with potential energy. So this is constructed with the help of a dam over a river. Now this water, which is at a height, has got potential energy in it in form of stored energy. When this water is allowed to flow down, it gets converted into kinetic energy. This water is made to fall from a height over the water turbines. When the water falls onto the water turbines, they start rotating. In turn, the generator also rotates, thereby giving rise to electrical energy. So these are the different stages in the hydroelectric power plant. The energy transformation which takes place at a hydroelectric power plant are potential energy in water. So the stored water which is in the dam has got potential energy in it. It is converted into the kinetic energy of flowing water. So it is made to fall, hence potential energy of water gets converted into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy in turbine. The turbine also rotates, so it also has got kinetic energy to it. And this kinetic energy of the turbine finally gets converted into electrical energy. So this is what is the energy transformation which takes place in a hydroelectric power plant. Now, since no fuel is used in a hydroelectric power plant, there is no air pollution that is caused due to it. So in one way, we can consider that a hydroelectric power plant is a eco-friendly source of electrical energy generation. Here we have a schematic diagram for hydroelectric plant. Here you can see the wall of the dam. The wall of the dam is very thick at the bottom. The reason behind it is that the water pressure is very large at the bottom as the depth increases. That is why the dams are constructed in such a way that the wall at the bottom is thicker than at the top. So this is the wall of the dam which is constructed over the river. Here we have the reservoir where the water is stored and it will be having potential energy to it. This potential energy is converted into kinetic energy by letting the water out through the penstock. Penstock or canal or pipe we can call it as. This is brought about by opening the gates. This is a sluice gate which is opened so as to let the water from the reservoir into the penstock or canal or pipe. This water comes out with a lot of force and brings about the rotation of the turbines. These turbines on rotation activate the generator which also rotates to produce electrical energy. From the powerhouse, The electrical energy is then transmitted to distant places. But now the water which will be collected here will be under no force, and so it is collected in another reservoir and it can be flown back so as to produce electrical energy. So this is the schematic diagram for hydroelectric plant. Here you can see an actual picture of a hydroelectric plant. We can see how a dam has been constructed over the river, and here we have the hydroelectric power station where electrical energy will be generated. These are various gates of the dam. In rainy season, when the rivers are flooded, the gates are opened to let the water flow. So this is about the hydroelectric power plants which produce electrical energy using the flowing water. Advantages of hydroelectric power generation. Since no fuel is burnt in hydroelectric power station, there is no pollution resulting from combustion of fuels. So this is the first and the most important advantage of hydroelectric power generation. If there is sufficient water storage in the dam, it is possible to generate electricity as and when necessary. Although water reservoir is used for power generation, it can be replenished during rainy season, leading to uninterrupted power generation. So these are the three advantages. Let us now see what are the problems that are associated with hydroelectric power plant. The backwater, due to storage of water in a dam, may submerge villages or towns in that area. This leads to problems of rehabilitation of the displaced population. Moreover, this can also submerge forests as well as the fertile land. So this is one disadvantage, or rather we can say a problem that is associated with hydroelectric power plants. The obstruction of the flow of river water may have adverse effect on living world in the river. So on one side, where hydroelectric power plants do not cause any pollution because they do not make use of any kind of fuel, so they may be considered as eco-friendly. But on the other hand, there is a problem of rehabilitation of people where these power plants are constructed. So this is a problem that is associated with hydroelectric power plants. Since no fuel is burnt in hydroelectric plant, no air pollution due to combustion of fuel results. However, considering the issues like forced migration of large community, submerging of forest and fertile land, adverse effect on living creatures in the river, it has always been a point of debate whether the hydroelectricity is environment friendly or not. So whenever we have a hydroelectric power plant constructed over a river, huge amount of land that was under cultivation suddenly has to be used up for construction, and so the people who are residing near the river need to be rehabilitated. Moreover, the place where the river was flowing was a water ecosystem, but after construction of the dam, it results in the complete change in the ecosystem. It converts into a land ecosystem. So it also results in the destruction of the biodiversity. So these are some problems which are associated with hydroelectric energy power plants. But as far as pollution is concerned, they do not cause any kind of pollution and hence can be considered to be eco-friendly.